Good morning, team. It is Friday the 19th, 2021. Finally had a chance to make it out to the water park. I live about an hour away from the park, and all our roads have been frozen over. If you don't know right now, Texas kind of went through this situation where we have some very heavy winter weather that Texans and Texas itself is just not used to. So we had a lot of electrical issues and power, water. I was out of electricity for 42 hours at my house alone. I had 2 water pipes bust in my house. Luckily, I was able to figure out some hasty ways to repair it. This morning, it's 28 degrees. We had a hard freeze last night, and they are expecting another one this evening for tonight. As you can tell, the water in the wave pool is actually frozen. That's pretty cool. Whoops. So I came this morning. The roads weren't too bad. The main one I take wasn't too bad today. I came to assess the damage. I know we do have some damage pipe-wise, and I just checked one of the water mains and it's frozen solid right now. So I've got to figure out what we're going to do there. Hopefully it didn't expand too much and bust the line. So we're going to check out some of the pump houses real quick. All right, hold on. Well, team, this is a problem. These are instant water heaters. And, yeah. That's not supposed to do that. Unfortunately, both of them are doing it. And the valves here are frozen shut. Or open, closed, whatever you want to call it. Ah. Great. I think it's safe to say they're not supposed to do that. It's kind of ironic, right? Water heaters freezing up. I know it is what it is. I know. You don't have to tell me. It's outside. It's gonna happen. Just kind of funny. Water heaters freezing. Let's go to the next one. I think I found the issue. Right there. Fun. I'm hoping that's the only thing. I cannot see anything else. And these control boards look to be pretty sealed. So I don't think, because I know water was filled up in this box. I'm hoping it didn't short out anything. Even the pump looks to be in great shape. I don't see any other breaks. Looks good back there. Yeah, I don't see anything else that's broken. You guys see anything back there? I don't see anything. Looks pretty good so far. Yeah, there might be something right there. See that white right there? But I won't be able to tell until the water's running. But it doesn't look too bad. I gotta go find a screwdriver for this one. I can't pop the top for some reason. Well, that's something you don't see every day. That is pretty impressive. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. I'm guessing it just slid down the slide. That's pretty cool. I do see we got an issue over here, back pump house. Yep. Water main blew over here. They are insulated, but hey, sometimes not so well. Let's see if we can clog this up. Well, the pump house needed to be cleaned, so I mean, what can I say? All right. Yeah, one of the lines on the main blew right there. Wow, look at that. Okay, well, where that one's gonna be fixed at.
Hey team, so just to clarify what happened with this pipe right here, I believe what happened is we turned off the trunk main, which feeds the entire park, and when I turned it on to do testing, this pipe must have been already cracked. So it blew when I turned on the water main, but that's the situation here. Alright, well, the rest of the pump houses were in pretty good shape. They were kind of boring, so I decided just to keep them out of the video. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you like, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up on the video. And once again, thank you for all the well wishes. We'll talk to you soon. Have a good time, team. Take it easy.